Healthy salads recipes. Rainbow pasta salad. For the salad: pasta, bell peppers, carrots, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, black olives, garbanzo beans, crumbled feta cheese. For the dressing: olive oil, vinegar, lemon juice, garlic, salt and pepper, red chili flakes, fresh herbs, parsley, oregano, and basil. Method: cook your favorite pasta, chop up all the vegetables, mix all the ingredients of dressing in a bowl, load all your veggies over a bed of pasta. Pour on some dressing. Toss them, sprinkle some feta and chill at least an hour before serving. Hawaiian macaroni salad. For the salad: elbow macaroni, apple cider vinegar, veggies, carrots, celery, and green onion. For the dressing: mayonnaise, milk, brown sugar, salt and pepper. Method: cook the macaroni, soak up the macaroni with vinegar, add the veggies and add the dressing. Mix them all, chill for at least 2 hours before serving. Antipasto pasta salad. For salad: pasta, salami, pepperoni, mozzarella balls, cherry tomatoes, artichoke, olives, sweet drop red peppers, parsley. For dressing: Italian dressing, extra virgin olive oil, vinegar, lemon juice, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, salt, sugar, red chili flakes. Method: cook the pasta, now make an Italian dressing, mix all the ingredients of the dressing, cut and add all the veggies in a bowl, pour dressing and mix everything well. Chill it before serving. Chicken ranch pasta salad. For dressing: mayonnaise, sour cream, ranch dressing. For salad: pasta, chicken, cooked and diced up, salami, veggies, celery and cherry tomatoes, olives. Method: combine all the ingredients, then toss well, chill before serving. Mexican pasta salad. For dressing: Greek yogurt, mayonnaise, honey, lime and spices, cumin, salt, chili powder and smoked paprika. For salad: pasta, canned black beans, jalapeno pepper, frozen or fresh corn kernels, cherry tomatoes, cilantro, red onion. Method: boil the pasta, make the dressing, mix all the ingredients of dressing, chop the veggies and mix all the ingredients with dressing very well, chill it before serving.